Wait.
Oh,
we go. Ah. Take it off the box. Lift it up.
Don't drop it.
Oh, God. Oh. Alright, and then let me.
Alright. Getting in there.
Here we go. Put it on.
Ready?
Put it on. Ooh. Are you in the future now?
No, we crazy eyes.
Power it on. Wow, it's so sharp. Oh.
Like the pass through is a pretty much.
Oh, it's like in my hand. It's like real life.
Oh wow.
Pass through is like real life, and the resolution is unbelievable. It's unbelievable.
I see like that light even like moves a top across as I move my head around.
It's hilarious. It's like a giant T's and C's. You could hug it if you wanted to.
You gotta.
Oh my god.
Oh, it's like stuck.
Oh, these photos are cool. 3K photos. That's awesome. Whoa!